My name is Scott Petty. I'm Hayward's product manager for pumps and filters. You may know there's three types of filters within the pool industry that are most common: sand, cartridge, and DE, or diatomaceous earth. They each have their strengths, but the cartridge filter, that type of filter, is the fastest growing because it has a lot of benefits compared to the others. We encourage you to consider a cartridge filter. Hayward makes a broad lineup of cartridge filters. We make single element as well as multi-element, and really that just means the size of the filter. We have ones that are smaller for smaller pools. We have ones that are bigger for bigger pools. A cartridge filter, the benefits of it: you don't have to backwash. You have to clean the elements, but depending on the size of the filter you get, you may not have to do that but once a month or maybe even once a year. Hayward actually makes the largest residential cartridge filter in the industry, and it's common to not have to clean that maybe once a season. But what a cartridge filter doesn't have a backwash valve. A valve makes the pump work harder, which ultimately can cost more money. So even though cartridge filters, you're not plugging them in and they're not going to directly cost and consume energy, they will ultimately reduce the load on the pump and allow you to save money. So it's going to be easier to service. You're going to get very clear water. Consider a cartridge filter. The water clarity is going to be a little bit better, and you're not going to have to backwash probably every week like you're doing with the sand filter.
Continue to visit Hayward Pool Products at www.hayward.com.